Namaste, good morning and warm welcome dear students, guardians and all the viewers who have been watching Kalika TV SD and our Facebook lives and from YouTube too. I am Prakash Subedi, your mathematics teacher. I have come to teach you all dear students of mainly for standard 9. As we have been learning mensuration and we are talking about area of path. So, let me revise in short about the formula that we derived ourselves in last few days and then we start today's class. So, let us see in the slide please. Let us see in the slide please. Okay. So, dear students, for your revision you can read that area of outer path formula 2w L plus B plus 2w and area of inner path L plus B minus 2w in the bracket and outside 2w is same. Next, area of circular path pi w d plus w, where d stands for diameter and w stand for width of the path in all cases, and then area of cross path w bracket starts L plus B minus w, and you can see those three figure they show that what sort of path we discussed till today. So, let me go through today's class and you can see 9 number. Let me start with this question. Let us pay your attention to the board please. See the question here. Let me see what is given. Like a 2 meter wide path is made outside around a square pond of area 6400 square meter. It means this question is about area of path and the path is constructed outside around a square pond. So, dear student, let me write the given thing at first. 9 number here 2 meter wide path, the width of the path w is equal to 2 meter and area of square pond is given. Area of square pond, let us write A1 here is equal to 6400 square meter. I have been telling you since the beginning, dear student, you know, like in mensuration, that one slogan you should remember, and that is what is given, use its formula. Like here just now what I have written, you can see here area of square pond, it is given 6400, let us say 6400 square meter. What is given? Area of square is given. So, what to do? Let us use its formula. So, this slogan works a lot in mathematics. What is given? Use its formula. So, here area of square pond is given. Let us use its formula, or area of square means L square, that is equal to 6400, or L is equal to square under root 6400 and it is obviously 80 meter. Therefore, the length of square pond L is equal to 80 meter. As it is a square pond, so I hope it is sure that you know length is same as breadth in case of square. So, the length of square pond we got 80 meter. Now, let me read the question again. We need to find the area of path. So, we need to find area of path A2 I have written here is equal to what? Because here was also area, it is area of square pond 6400 is given. This is why I supposed it A1 and here I supposed area of path A2. So, this is the case. Let me make you clear by making figure. What is this? This is a square pond, square pond. This is its area is given as 6400 square meter, and by our calculation and by the help of our slogan for mensuration, what is given? Use its formula. So, we did the same and we got the length of square pond be 80 meter, and obviously the breadth will be same, it is square. As per the question, a path is constructed around the square pond and the width of the path is given as 2 meter. So, let me make 2 meter path outside. So, this way, okay, I hope you have understood what I am making. This is outside one, this outside one, that what I have said, it just setting, I am setting just now. This is, this shaded portion represents the path, and dear student, this one is W and width of the path, and it is given as 2 meter. Okay. So, this is the case of outside path. So, we are using the formula. We know that A2 equal, direct here I wrote A2 because this is the case of outside path in the question. So, area of outside path I should use, and the area of outside path is 2W L plus B plus 2W. 2W is 2 again, L means 80, and here I am writing L plus B. It can be written as 2L because in case of square, length is equal to breadth, and here B can be replaced by L. If B is replaced by L, it will become 2L. But why to remember so many formula? You can use same formula for same like rectangular case, and in rectangle length and breadth used to be different. But what is same here in the case of square? Length and breadth both are same. As we got length is 80, we replace breadth also by 80. 2 times what is W? W is 2. Now, 2 times 2 is 4, 80 plus 80 is 160, 2 times 2 is 4, 160 plus 4 is 164. If you multiply, you will get 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24 and 1 25, 4 1s is 4 plus 2 carry over, it is 6. So, what we got? The area of outside path. Therefore, the area of outside path A2, that equal we got 656 square meter. Again, let me show you the question please, so that you will be clear. Now, see my dear student, find the area of the path. This is the first A number, A we have done. Now, go to B. How many tiles are required to pave on the path by the tile of area 0.40 square meter? So, now again let me focus you in the whiteboard please. We need to find the number of tiles where the area of tile is given 0.40. look at the board please. So, just for example dear student, let me show you making tile. Look, just to make you clear that the path is being paved by tiles like this, okay, like this. You can see here this part I have shown you by making the tiles. So, let me take one tile. This is one tile, yes, this is one tile and its area is given as 0.40 square meter. So, our question is that such tiles are being paved on the path around the square pond and we need to find the total number of tiles. Actually, the area of tile is 0.40 and the total area to be covered by the tile is 656. So, here one more given thing I am writing here. The area of one tile, let us say A2, A3 is equal to 0.40 square meter. And here what is asked in B number? Number of tiles, let us say n is equal to what? Now, here we know that number of tiles n is equal to area of path over area of one tile. So, what is area of path? Area of path A2 is area of outside path is 656 over area of one tile, it is given in the question, it is 0.40, or that n is equal to what it will be. It is good to use the formula, perhaps it will maybe 800, 8000. Let us see how much it comes. Let me use my device to calculate. You will use your calculator. I am using my device for the purpose of calculation. 656 divided by 0.4, it is 1640. So, this is, dear student, 656 divided by 0.40, it is 1640. Therefore, the number of tiles required n is equal to 1640. Okay. Now, once again this is B. Actually, there were 3 questions you have already seen in 9 number. First one, we need to calculate area of path. So, we got this is the answer of A. Second one, we need to find the number of tiles. We have got the number of tiles here. Now, the third one, again let me see the question please, slide please. Dear student, keep on watching the slide. See question number C 9C. If the cost of a tile is Rs 7.50, here the cost of tile is given, how much total cost will be required to pave the tiles on the path? So, what is the cost of one tile, dear student? Finally, cost of one tile, let us write rate R is equal to what is given, you have already seen, Rs 7.50. And what do we need? How much total cost will be required to pave the tiles on the path? We need the total cost. So, total cost, let us say total cost T is equal to what? We know that it is just like unitary method, it is happening in our daily life, like if you buy a pen in 10 rupees, you buy 2 pen in 2 times 10 rupees. Same concept we will be using here. We know that total cost T is equal to, so number of tiles times rate. We need 1640 tiles and rate to buy one tile is 7.50. So, what will be the total cost, dear student? It is easy to you. That will be number of tile is 1640 times rate is 7.50. Again, I should use my device to calculate the product. So, dear student, you can calculate yourself. It is 1640 times 7.5. It is cost. So, its unit is rupees, areas 12300. So, hence total cost, sorry, it may not be seen, let me write it little up, just the conclusion. So, you can see the conclusion, hence area of path is equal to, area of path we got 656 square meter, number of tiles is equal to 1640 and total cost is equal to areas 12300. Okay. So, dear student, we learnt very important thing today. So, you may have problem at home for tiling, paving, you know. So, now you will help your parents by calculating the total cost of tiling a room, tiling the walls or the marbling, you know, and the paving the way to your home. So, you can calculate by yourself. This is very useful in our daily life. So, I hope you have understood this question. Now, again let me show you the question number 10. Dear student, keep on watching question number 10 please. It is blue in color. Read the question properly. Okay. So, let us see the question and let me do the solution. A square courtyard has an area of 169 square meter. You can see a square courtyard has an area of 169 square meter. So, dear student, I am making a square courtyard here. Look, a square courtyard has an area of 169 square meter, 169 square meter. This is the area of this square courtyard. If the area of the path of uniform width surrounding outside the courtyard is 120 square meter, it means here as well one path is surrounding outside this square courtyard. Look, and find the width of the path. So, we need to find the width of the path. This W equal what? This W equal what? And look, I have shaded this part. This part represent the path outside a courtyard, square courtyard of 169 square meter area. We have area of this shaded part given, area of this shaded part is given as 120 square meter. So, as I said you before, the theme is in mensuration what is given, use its formula. So, as here 169 square meter is given, let us use it at first. Solution, write the information here. Area of it is square courtyard. A1 is equal to 169 square meter. As I said you, what is given, use its formula. That is the slogan for mensuration, you must remember. Area of square courtyard is given, so we are using its formula, or let us write L square is equal to 169, or L is equal to square root of 169, it comes 13 meter. So, what is L, dear student? Therefore, length of that square courtyard L is equal to 13 meter. Now, what is given? Look, what is this 120, dear student? This question can be done by two methods. If possible, I will do by both methods. If not, I will follow one method and I will give you hint at the end for the solution of same question differently. Length of courtyard is 13 meter and we do not have the width of the path. Let us write width of the path W is equal to what? Area of it is outer path, let us write A2 is given as 120 square meter. Now, a simple question I want to ask my dear student. To ask that question, let me name the figure. Let us suppose this A, B, C, D is actual square courtyard. A, B, C, D is actual square courtyard and one path is constructed outside of it. Then you see, after adding this area of path, when in ABCD, when we construct a path, then next square has been formed. Let us name it EFGH. And that should be square, dear student. It is because like we got length of square courtyard be 13 meter here, and you see this part is how much? L, W sorry, this part is how much? W. Look, for HG, this side W, this side W, W plus W makes 2W, in the middle there is 13. So, what is this total length? L plus 2W. This is the total length of outer square. And obviously, as it is a square, dear student, like what is this? You can easily see this is W, W is the width of the path, this is W, and down one this is also W. And how much is BC? BC is obviously 13 meter. So, BC is 13 and this is given W and this is given W. 13 plus W, it makes again 13 plus 2W, and it is obvious because this is the case of square. So, length should be equal to breadth. Area of outer path is given 120 and area of square courtyard is given 169. So, I will ask you, dear student, if we add both of these, what will come from the figure? From the figure, area of square courtyard with path, area of square courtyard with path means area of square, you can say EFGH is equal to area of square courtyard ABCD plus area of path. I hope you understood it. area of square E of GH, that outer part big square is equal to area of internal square plus area of path, and it is area of square ABCD is 169 plus area of path is 120, and the total is 289 square meter. So, dear student, here you see FG is 13 plus 2W, HG is L plus 2W, and L is here I am going to replace by 13, because length inside length is taken as 13. So, this is 13 plus 2W, this is 13 plus 2W. So, area of square E of GH means, or it is square of length, dear student, or. So, what is the length of EFGH? What is the length of EFGH square? It is 13 plus 2W. So, it should be square of 13 plus 2W, that is equal to, this is equal to the sum 289, and which is square of 17. You can check whether that is square of 17 or not. Yeah, it is the square of 17, or 13 plus 2W is equal to plus minus 17. As we are solving the problem related to magnitude, so we take positive only. Taking positive, we get 13 plus 2W is equal to 17, or 2W is equal to 17 minus 13. So, 17 minus 13 is 4, directly I have written here, or W is equal to 4 divided by 2, it comes 2 meter. So, the student, let me go up here. Hence, what we got, the width of the path W is equal to 2 meter answer. So, this is what I said you by one method, it is conceptual method. Internal area and outer paths area was given, we added it, then it gave area of total square. We use the formula of area of square as L square, and then we got the width be 2 meter. Now, let me show you hint of alternate way. For same question, this will be done by you, dear student. I have been telling you since the beginning when I started mensuration. You should remember what is given, use its formula. Here area of path is given, you see here, look, area of path is given, area of outer path is given as 120 square meter. So, what is given? Use its formula, use this concept here. Area of outer path is 2W L plus B plus 2W equal 120. As it is the case of square courtyard, so L should be L, B should be L, because both are same, is equal to 120. So, 2W L plus L is 2L, L we have got 13 meter, 13 plus 13 is 26 plus 2W equal 120. This way, if you go and if you factorize it, you will get it in quadratic form. Then after factorizing, after solving that quadratic equation, you can find the width of the path. So, thank you so much, dear student. Let me give you today's homework at first. These two questions that we have done today, and this is what your homework. Happy Krishna Janmashtami, mainly for Hindus and all people. I want to say Happy Krishna Janmashtami, and then my dear students, this is your homework. Celebrate Krishna Janmashtami by doing these 4 questions only. And for any query, you can send me mail. I have left my Gmail address there. Thank you so much, dear students, guardians, and all the viewers for watching us in Kalika SD TV, Facebook Lives, and YouTube. Tomorrow, I will continue my class. Till then, goodbye, namaste, have a good day, and stay safe.